Good morning, this is Hiker Dude Dad, and I am atop an overlook in a different part of Chickie's Rock County Park. Let's go out there and check this out. Let's go! So we're on the other side of Route 441. Unfortunately, there's a lot of road noise, but there's all kind of cliffs over here too. Part of this Chickie's formation. Over there is the main part of Chickie's Rock. Parking lot is right down there, and you kind of walk around that to get the view. You can sort of see the river in the distance. Yeah, so this is pretty crazy, pretty steep. It's like we can almost walk around here a little bit, but I don't know, one misstep and you're basically on the road with some very fast traffic. But yeah, unfortunately all kind of road noise, and you can't really see much of the river from up here. But look at some of these trees have buds here. It's March 25th. We're past the first day of spring. So I'm out here clinging to the side of a cliff for you. Been cutting through the rocks because they have this awesome like vertical pattern. But yeah, too much paint out here. Gonna hike down into the valley. There's like a stream crossing down there. See all the sparkles, probably some quartz or something right here. Yeah, pretty cool. The rock over on the other side gets all the love, but you know, this is a pretty good outcropping here. A lot of little things to climb on and hold on to for dear life and such. So let's go explore some more. From our viewpoint up here, you can see the Susquehanna River, and then on the left there, that's the Wrightsville Bridge, Route 30. So I've moved back farther east here so you can see the outcropping where we were standing, and then the big Chickie's Rock over in the back. Another portion of the trail goes down there. We're gonna head the other way. We're gonna head south. I think there's a little more to look at out that way. It's like a burned couple pieces of tree here. Looks like I was burned on the inside. Must have been, I don't know, lightning strike or something. It seems to be like the only piece around, so I'm not sure why just that one is burned. But I just realized walking off the top there that I can get back to the car this way. From the parking lot, the trail splits two ways. I went to the left to start and then took a right up to the overlook. So now I'm just coming back towards the cars. I'll go on the same path I was to the left, but I'll take it left again and go down into this valley over here. I lied. From the parking lot, I then took a hard left when I got down there. So from the parking lot, it would have been taking the right trail along the ground, but that brought me here under the outcrop that I was just on. So I was up top here. Doesn't look that high from down here, honestly. I think the Chickie's rock across the way is still the star of the show. Maybe I'll head there on the way out of here. All right, so I'm back at the parking lot. Not sure where it used to be here, but some kind of concrete foundation. Spring is here. We've got some buds on the trees. Everything's starting to get green. So the trail turned off this way, and as we come down, I don't know, these look stacked. Kind of maybe possibly look human-made again. Not a lot of info here for this place, so I'm not totally sure what that could be. As soon as I turned the camera off, I saw these. Some more stuff stacked. And over here, that's probably natural rock, actually. The red blazes here are for the Clayton B. Shank Trail. That's the trail that goes through this section of the park here. The only thing I could find on Mr. Shank, Clayton B., is that he was possibly an archer, a pretty good archer. And this section of the county park is open for archery hunting. So we were way up in there and we've descended, and now we're actually under 441, so the noise is muted a little bit. You still get those big trucks coming down with the braking and everything, but there's a nice little stream down here. There goes one. Here comes a nice little stream. Flowing through the valley here. Sure, there's got to be some kind of a culvert there to get it under 441. I know in the parking lot on the other side at Chickie's Rock, I know if you look down to the left, there's a stream that flows through. I wonder if this is the same one. Not very much flow in the stream, but nice clear water. Alright, so we popped up on the trail here. There's this meadow on top of another hill. Getting breezy up here. Alright, so it came out onto a bigger open area, which seems to be a farm. No trespassing sign on the barn. And I guess this was the end of the trail. So I think we'll backtrack here. I think I saw a little bit of the trail that kind of goes out around more towards the road again, towards Chickie's Rock again. So we'll go check that out on the way back. Yeah, definitely starting to see things push up through the soil, start to get buds. Yeah, instead of going back down the way I came, I'm gonna head out this way. It's not marked as anything on all trails, but it's clearly a trail. And I think I saw where it connects back down below anyway. So following that trail brought us to another cliffside area, but it's just 441 down below. Not as sheer of a rock face here, more of a slide uncontrollably on the way down, but again, there's the main attraction over at Chickie's Rock. Nice pines and everything up here, a little carpet of pine needles, and saw some American holly back there, maybe some here too. Yeah, does have me descending back towards the Shank Trail, but along 441. It's the quietest time that I've heard so far today. Oh my goodness. What happened? Did they block the road off at both ends? Oh, I heard a woodpecker. Actually got some quiet and heard a woodpecker. Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. And it's over. There we go. All right. Here we are back on the Shank Trail where we shot up there to go to the farm. We'll keep going back down here, across our stream. All right, so I had no idea the other Chickie's Rock was here. It is okay, you know, the road noise is a factor, but it's a nice place to hike. I only did about under 2 miles probably, but the elevation felt like it was a lot. So I mostly saw dog walkers here, so I think it's a great place for people in the area to come and do that. Maybe not for the hardcore hiking crew, but I'm not gonna leave you empty-handed. If you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, ring that bell for notification, and please enjoy this 360 footage of the real Chickie's Rock. We'll see you next time.